Going guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to tin wires, pretty much any type of wire you want. But this is a Powerbeats Pro battery. It comes with non-tinned wires, but I'll show you guys how to tin it. You guys have to have some flux in order for it to be professionally done. So what you do is you add some flux on both ends. You don't have to add too much, just add enough to make it work. You can just set that aside. Now you can get your solder gun, and you gotta get some solder on the actual tip of the solder gun. And now what you do is you just apply solder. You don't have to have too much because you don't need too much to solder it. Once it gets nice and shiny, like that, that's when you know you did a very good job. And that is how you tin a wire on a Powerbeats Pro battery, and just in general how to tin them. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.